Hey girl, hey! In today's video, I'll be showing you how I install this beautiful loose deep wave human crochet hair by Ywigs. It's soft, natural looking, and super easy to work with. Perfect for a flawless protective style. I've already prepped my hair with a simple cornrow base. You can customize your braid pattern depending on how much volume or parting versatility you want, but this base works great for a natural looking with minimum tension. And I did test out a leave out just in case I want to blend my real natural hair, but most likely I'm also going to show you how it looks if you braid it up. So let's get started with the install. I'm using a standard crochet needle to loop the hair through each braid. I love that this hair is 100% human, which means it blends beautifully. It feels soft to touch and it gives me more styling options. This loose deep wave texture mimics natural curl patterns so well, it gives me effortless body and bounce without needing extra styling. I'm spacing the hair out just enough to keep it full but not bulky. I'm also paying attention to the front section for a clean part and natural finish. You can knot once or twice, but I highly recommend you only knot once because it makes it so much easier to remove the hair and to reuse it in the future. And if you want even more realism, try using the invisible knot method near the hairline. And here's the finished look. I'm absolutely loving how lightweight, bouncy, and natural this crochet style turned out. The loose deep wave by Ywigs is a must try. And if you're looking for a protective style that still feels you, just click the link in my description and it'll take you straight to the hair.